Hello everyone. Are you getting the authentication required error in Gmail on Android? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Gmail needs a stable internet connection to emails. Step 2. Check Gmail settings. Open Gmail and tap your profile picture. Go to Gmail settings. Select your account and make sure Gmail is turned on. Step 3. Remove and re-add Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google. Select your Google account and tap Remove account. Now go back, tap Add account, Google, and sign in again. This can refresh your account authentication. Step 4. Clear Gmail cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Gmail, Storage, tap Clear cache. This can fix temporary Gmail issues without deleting your email. Step 5. Clear Google Play Services cache. Now go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage, tap Clear cache. Google Play Services is responsible for managing your Google account and Gmail authentication. Step 6. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically. Incorrect date and time can sometimes cause authentication errors. Step 7. Update Gmail and Google Play Services. Open the Play Store and make sure Gmail and Google Play Services are updated to the latest version. And that's it. These steps should help fix the authentication required error in Gmail or Android. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.